got a big delivery. Everyone's been really excited for these to show up. We're waiting patiently. We're going to go get them.
One of the most important things any automotive shop can have is a hoist. I mean, hoists make life so much easier. I've laid on my back on lawns with cars jacked up, with no room underneath, or with snow blowing in. Not fun. I mean, without a hoist, well, life is a little miserable laying on your back underneath cars with no room to work on them. Like poor Ron, who's laying underneath a Mustang right now looking at the fuel pump. Thanks to Rotary, this isn't as much a problem for us anymore. Now we have hoists. Now, 3 of these hoists are brand new, courtesy of Rotary. And, I'm delighted because we've been using Rotary hoists for quite a long time. We have had other makes. I've never been as impressed. Matter of fact, I had 2 Rotary hoists and 1 other manufacturer's hoist. And honestly, the other hoist used to cost us more in maintenance than both Rotaries. I mean, we'd do the yearly inspection. There was almost always something to be done on the other hoist, whereas the Rotaries basically just skated through it. So, they sort of won me over. Now we got 5 of them. As I said, 3 of them courtesy of Rotary, and I'm really glad to be partnered with them. It's going to be a great partnership. We're going to do a lot of exciting things. I'd like to thank the people at Rotary for supplying us with 3 hoists, and they came in, set them all up. We didn't have to do anything. It was absolutely great. I don't promote anything that I don't use and I don't believe in.